So how can you delete your hidden folders on your Android if you have in mind like freeing up storage and boosting speed and stuff like that? What can you do about it? Well, there are plenty of different cleaner apps which you can explore on your phone, right? So there are many of them which you can find, but the best one which I found is one called SD Mate, right? So if you open up the Google Play Store, you can just type that into the search. So it is the app has like two different versions, right? So you should be able to just find the SD Mate like that, and there is like a 1 and a 2. So I would recommend you to get the 2, the second version. And essentially, once you get inside of that app, you have the ability to just go through the system cleaners as well as like the old files finder, and you can perform a bunch of different searches and find files which are no longer necessary, like these folders which you are probably referring to, and files which don't need to be stored on your phone anymore and are supposed to be deleted, right? So using this application, you can perform so many different scans and stuff. So it is really useful to delete stuff and all of the like hidden folders which might slow down your device, and eventually if you delete this it will make it faster. So I would recommend you to get this type of application, perform all of these like things in here which it asks you to do. And also one thing which I have to mention is that the app might require you to give it permission to access those files, which is natural. So if it asks you about like allowing some access to some deeper files, you will have to allow it. So that's it. That's everything I wanted to show you in this video. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, this guide that you have just watched. Subscribe for more, and I will most definitely see you in the future videos.